Registrar of Societies Manipur orders inquiry into affairs of Cookie Students Organization KSO. Sub-Inspector of Irilbung Police Station in Imphal East placed under suspension for attacking differently abled men. A 64-year-old man knocked down by speeding water tanker at Uripok Yambem Lekai along Uripong Kakchub Road in Imphal West. And two earthquakes hit Assam. Over 32 mild earthquakes reported so far in the region between January 1, 2023 and March 18, 2023. Good evening, you're watching IS English News and I'm LAITHANGBAM MONIKA with you. Before we begin, IS News would like to remind our viewers to practice physical distancing, hand hygiene and wear masks. Please protect yourself and get vaccinated to ward off the virus. Now the news in detail. The Registrar of Societies Manipur has ordered an inquiry into the affairs of the Cookie Students Organization KSO under Section 22 of Manipur Societies Registration Act 1989. Arambam Valentina, Registrar of Societies Manipur, issued the order on March 15. The order noted that as per records available at the office of the Registrar of Societies Manipur, Cookie Students Organization has not submitted annual reports, balance sheets, auditors' reports, etc. for the last 43 years. KSO was found involved in unlawful act, it said. In view of the above, an inquiry is initiated to investigate the affairs of the organization under Section 22 of Manipur Societies Registration Act 1989, the order further read. T. Somakanta Singh, Deputy Registrar of Societies Imphal East, has been appointed as inquiry officer to conduct inquiry under Section 22 of Manipur Societies Registration Act 1989 and its rules to investigate the affairs of the organization. The inquiry officer shall submit his report within 10 days from the date of issue of the order, it mentioned. A sub-inspector of Irilbung Police Station in Imphal East has been placed under suspension for physically assaulting a differently abled man at the police station. Disciplinary action has been initiated against SITH Bung Bung and has been suspended for being high-handed, and in this regard, an order has been issued by Imphal East SP KSH Siv Kanta. Notably, in the recent incident, Mohammad Abdul Hakim, a differently abled man from Kairao Makting Manjor Inkol, was reportedly trashed by the SI when the former was present at Irilbung Police Station for a land dispute case. The family, along with the locals, had been demanding dismissal of the involved cop. A 64-year-old man was mowed down by a speeding Tata water tanker at Uripok Yambem Lekai along the Uripok Kangchup Road in Imphal West this morning. R.K. Brojan Singh, resident of Uripok Yambem Lekai, was instantly killed on the spot. According to police reports, the fatal road mishap happened around 8:30 a.m. The vehicle, which was coming from Iroi Semba side, hit the man near a stationary mini truck. A CCTV footage shows the deceased being run over by the water tanker, which spat away. Later, the police managed to arrest the driver and his vehicle. A case has also been registered over the incident and investigations are on. Two earthquakes of magnitude 3.6 and 2.8 hit Assam's Jorhat and Darang districts early on Saturday, creating panic among the people. The earthquake with magnitude 3.6 occurred around 50 kilometers beneath the Earth's surface at 9:03 a.m., while the earthquake with magnitude 2.8 occurred 9 kilometers beneath the Earth's surface at 11:02 a.m. However, there had been no reports of any casualty or damage to property due to the tremors till the filing of the report. Northeast India has been experiencing frequent earthquakes since the beginning this year. Over 32 mild earthquakes have been reported so far in the region between 1 January 2023 and 18 January 2023. The frequent earthquakes that have rocked the region in less than 3 months have made many fear for the worst to come. According to seismologists, the northeastern region experiences frequent earthquakes as it falls into the seismic V zone. A one-day state-level Disabled People Organization DPO consultation program on inclusion of women with disabilities in Manipur in development plans and collection of secondary data on gaps and action plans of inclusion of gender disabilities in local governance plans was held today at Manipur Press Club, Imphal. It was jointly organized by State Platform of Disabled People's Organization, SPDPO, All Tribal Disabled Union, Manipur, Adum, and Equitable Catalyst Society, ECS. Chongsing Koireng, member, Manipur State Commission for Women, Dr. Kiran LAITHANGBAM, social activist, Napoleon Caesar, General Secretary, Equitable Catalyst Society, ECS, and Muhammad Yunus Khan, President, State Platform of Disabled People's Organization, Manipur, SPDPO, attended the program. At the event, the participants shouted 4 slogans: "Everything is for us with us," "Nothing about us without us," "Don't make any decisions about us without us," and "Respect rights and decision of persons with disabilities." "44 Assam Rifles Tamenglong Battalion under the aegis of Headquarter 2022 Sector ARIGAR East concluded pre-recruitment training for male and female candidates to prepare them for upcoming recruitment rallies for Assam Rifles and Army. The camp, named after the much-revered late R. Telpeng, was conducted from March 6 to 18 at Tamai Post, Manipur. The response to this event was unprecedented, with total registrations touching 35. The training camp had commenced with documents and medical inspection, in which a total of 29 individuals were found eligible. The great-grandson of late R. Telpeng was also part of the training camp. All candidates were awarded a certificate of participation for successful completion of the training, according to a release from IGAR South. Amid rising cases of H3N2 virus in Maharashtra, the state's Health Minister Thanaji Sawant has said that there is no need to panic, as the disease can be cured with medical intervention. Speaking to reporters in Mumbai today, Sawant urged the citizens to avoid going to crowded areas, wear masks and maintain hand hygiene and social distancing. The minister also said sudden change in weather is also affecting health, and the citizens must consult a doctor within 48 hours if they have fever and body ache. Sawant also said that isolation and proper medication will not only prevent the spread of the virus but also help in speedy recovery. He informed that all the hospitals have been asked to remain alert amid rising cases of COVID-19 and the influenza virus. Daily COVID cases recorded in India are at the highest in over 4 months, with over 800 cases recorded in the last 24 hours. With 841 fresh infections, active caseload has now climbed to 5,389, according to Union Health Ministry data. The centre has written to 6 states saying that they should focus on controlling the sudden increase in the viral infection. The Union Health Secretary on Wednesday wrote to Maharashtra, Gujarat, Telangana, Tamil Nadu, Kerala and Karnataka, asking them to stress on testing, treating, tracking and vaccination. Stress Sponge Iscom and Department of Biotechnology, Manipur University today jointly celebrated Brain Awareness Week 2023. MU School of Life Sciences Dean Professor R. Varatharanja, Imphal East District Deputy Commissioner Diana Kumanthame and Stress Sponge Iscom founder MONIKA Chanu Chongtham were the dignitaries of the program. Addressing the gathering, the founder said, MONIKA Chanu Chongtham said, the program was funded by International Brain Research Organization. She noted that people know very little about the human brain. The principal objective of the event was to discuss about the brain health and behavioral changes that take place when one suffers from brain disorder and resultant mental health. Brain Awareness Week is celebrated annually in the 3rd week of March globally. The week aims to foster public enthusiasm and support for brain science.
Brain brain behavior mental health problems addiction stress stress handle addiction games neuroscience game see learn tactic learn stress resilient stress
Konyak Union KU handed over the Foreign Secretary of the proscribed armed militant group Kamatapur Liberation Organization KLO Pavel Koch and 7 other cadres to officials from the Union Ministry of Home Affairs MHA on March 16. Tinkok Konyak, President of the Union, and Nokzai P. Konyak, Press and Media Secretary, narrated the events, stating that Koch and the 7 cadres had expressed their desire to leave the organization on March 15. After that, KLO first got in touch with NSEN/GPRNKYA Konyak Region Chairman and Kilonsa Kampai Konyak, who then told KU Myanmar Unit President about the situation. The KU President and his Myanmar counterpart took a serious note of the situation and rushed toward Longwa village, accompanied by Razib Sarma, Assistant Director of the Intelligence Bureau, the MHA team of Guwahati and the KU Pomching Unit. Pavel Koch and Kalyan Koch, Sergeant Major of KLO, were graciously received at Longwa village on March 15 by the presidents of the 3 organizations, KU Myanmar Unit and KU Pomching Unit. In addition, officials from MHA and the 27th Assam Rifles attended a meeting in the early hours. During their conversation with Pavel Koch, the president of the KU and the president of the KU Myanmar Unit expressed happiness at their decision to join the mainstream and move toward peace and development. They claimed that Konyaks were also constantly seeking tranquility and peace on the land. It's time for a short commercial break. Keep watching IS News.
Introducing Wonder Chef, one of India's leading brands in cookware and kitchen appliances. Inspired by Italian design and German standard of quality. Holding more than 100 plus products such as chimneys, cooktops, grinders, and much more. Now open at Nagram Block A, Stadium Road near Punya Hyundai showroom. Special launch offer will be available for all customers from 15th to 30th March. Please visit the outlet at the earliest and enjoy the benefits.
The 13th Annual Medical Society Conference MESOCON 2023, organized by Medical Society Regional Institute of Medical Sciences Imphal, kicked off today at the Jubilee Hall, RIMS Imphal, on the theme Overcoming Lifestyle Diseases, the Need of the Hour. Professor H. Priyosakhi Devi, Director, RIMS Imphal, graced the function as the chief guest, sharing the dais with Professor N. Sanjeev Singh, Medical Superintendent, RIMS Hospital, Imphal, as the President, and Professor Brojain Singh Akhoizam, Dean Academics, RIMS Imphal, and Professor B. Pravin Reddy, Principal Dental College, RIMS Imphal, as the guest of honor, alongside Dr. S. Subhas Chandra Singh, Chairman, Reception Committee, Professor T. Jitendra Kumar Singh, Organizing Chairman, and Dr. Nangamlung Golmai, Organizing Secretary, MESOCON 2023. The souvenir for MESOCON 2023, as well as the Journal of Medical Society, JMS Volume 36, Issue 3, was released on the occasion, followed by a prize distribution program for the PG Awards Session 2023. Dr. L. Subhasani Devi, Department of PMR, Dr. K. Selina, Department of PMR, and Dr. J. Raj Lakshmi Angom, Department of Anesthesiology, RIMS Imphal, back the first, second, and third prizes, respectively. Speaking on the occasion, Professor H. Priyosakhi Devi, Director, RIMS Imphal, acknowledged the hard work of the Medical Society Executive Committee members, stating that MESOCON is a platform for both the medical fraternity, right from student up to the senior faculty members. She further stressed on the role of exercise, diet, and yoga to sustain a healthy lifestyle and urged the Ayush Director to participate in the next CME program to discuss together for the productive measures for a healthy lifestyle. The program was participated by HODs of various departments, students, faculty members, and resource persons.
All of talk about racing is very interesting to say that even in the souvenir you have put it exercise, diet, yoga. Is it? I'm not wrong. Yes. And this is the need of the hour, all of us, to increase our lifestyles, because we are not doing much physical work. We use our brain and continue, but the physical work is very less. And also this diet, eating habits. We the Manipuris are used to take very bland without oil and all those things, meat. But nowadays, our children, we all are taking different. So we have to increase in that way. So theme is very important, overcoming lifestyle diseases, the need of the hour.
A man was apprehended at the Kempe Gowda International Airport in Bengaluru for allegedly smoking in the toilet of an Indigo flight, police said. According to the airport police, the arrested person has been identified as Shehari Chaudhary, and he was caught smoking while traveling from Assam to Bengaluru on Indigo flight 6E716 on March 16 at around 1:30 a.m. The matter came to light after the crew of the flight noticed cigarette being emitted from the toilet and reported it to the authorities. He was taken into custody as soon as he landed at the Bengaluru airport, and the airport police have taken up an investigation in this regard. In a similar incident, Mumbai Sahar Police booked an Indian-origin US citizen for allegedly smoking inside the lavatory of Air India London-Mumbai flight on March 11. The 37-year-old US citizen, identified as Ramakant, was also alleged to have misbehaved with his co-passengers and disrupting the flight. A case has been registered against the citizen under Indian Penal Code IPC Section 336. Whoever does any act so rashly or negligently as to endanger human life or the personal safety of others, and Aircraft Act 1937 refused to follow a lawful instruction given by the pilot in command, 23 assault and other acts endangering safety or jeopardizing good order and discipline, and 25 for smoking. Now the sports news. India defeated Australia by 5 wickets in the first ODI of the 3-match series at Mumbai's Wakkhane Stadium on Friday. With the help of KL Rahul's 75 runs, the host achieved the target in 39.5 overs. Earlier, India won the toss and put Australia to bat first. Australians were all out at 188 runs in the 35.4 overs. Mitchell Marsh scored 81 runs for the visitors. Mohammad Sami and Mohammad Siraz scalped 3 wickets each for the Indian side. In badminton, Trisa Jolie and Gayatri Gopichan will be up against Lee So-hee and Baek Hana of South Korea today at 3:30 p.m. in the women's doubles semi-finals of All England Open Badminton Championships. Yesterday, the Indian pair of Trisa and Gayatri have advanced to the semi-finals, defeating their Chinese opponents Li Wenmei and Lui Xuan with a final score tally of 21-14, 18-21 and 21-12. Before we end, a quick look at the headlines once again. Registrar of Societies Manipur orders inquiry into affairs of Kuki Students Organization, KSO. Sub-Inspector of Irilbung Police Station in Imphal East placed under suspension for attacking differently abled men. A 64-year-old man knocked down by spitting water tanker at Uripok Yambem Lekai along Uripok Kangchup Road in Imphal West. And 2 earthquakes hit Assam. Over 32 mild earthquakes reported so far in the region between January 1st, 2023 and March 18, 2023. That's all we have for the time being. Keep watching IS News.